Hello, and welcome to Word Warehouse. In today's lesson, we're going to learn 6 irregular verbs that follow some useful patterns. We'll connect each new verb with an irregular verb you may already know, so you can use what you've learned to remember the new forms. Let's get started. Freeze, froze, frozen. Freeze means to become very cold and turn into ice, or to make something very cold. A useful verb to remember is choose, chose, chosen. Freeze follows a very similar pattern. The water freezes in winter. The lake froze last night. I froze the food to keep it for later. Be careful. The roads will freeze tonight. Freeze can also mean to suddenly stop moving because of fear, surprise, or shock. I froze when I saw the snake. Seek, sought, sought. Seek means to look for or try to find something. A useful pattern to remember is think, thought, thought. Seek follows a similar past tense pattern. Seek, sought, sought. Think, thought, thought. I'm seeking a new job. They sought help after the accident. He has sought advice from several experts. She is seeking a better solution. Seek is a little more formal than look for. In everyday English, we usually say, I'm looking for a new job, rather than I'm seeking a new job. However, seek is very common in formal English. Build, built, built. Build means to make something by putting different parts together. A useful verb to remember is keep, kept, kept. Build follows a similar pattern. They are building a new house. My father built this table. This company has built several bridges in recent years. They're going to build a new school here. No one had ever built such a tall skyscraper in this region before. Build can be used for physical things, but also for abstract things. Build a house, build a career, build a relationship, build confidence. We use build muscle to mean to develop or increase muscle mass through exercise and training. In English, we say build muscle, not make muscle. She goes to the gym to build muscle. Mean, meant, meant. Mean means to have a particular meaning or to intend to say something. A useful verb to remember is keep, kept, kept. Mean has the same type of pattern. What does this word mean? What do you mean? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by expensive? I mean, that's a lot of money to spend on a new car. Mean can also be used to talk about intention. I didn't mean to upset you. Here, mean means that something was not your intention. I didn't mean to hurt you. I've always meant to call you, but I've been so busy. Keep, kept, kept. Keep means to continue to have something, not give it away, or continue doing something. A useful verb to remember is sleep, slept, slept. Can I keep this book? I kept the receipt in case I needed. She's kept all her old photos. Keep the door closed, please. Keep has many common uses. Keep something, keep a secret, keep a promise, keep doing something, keep in touch. We still keep in touch with our old neighbors. Lead, led, led. Lead means to guide or be in charge of a person, group, or organization. She leads a team of 10 people. He led the company for 5 years. She has led several successful projects. The tour guide led us through the old town. Lead is also commonly used in the expression, lead the way. It means to go first and show other people where to go. You lead the way, and I'll follow you. Don't worry, I'll lead the way. Lead by example. It means to show other people how to behave or what to do by behaving that way yourself, rather than simply telling them what to do. A good manager should lead by example. Freeze, froze, frozen. Seek, sought, sought. Build, built, built. Mean, meant, meant. Keep, kept, kept. Lead, led, led. Remember the patterns. Choose, chose, chosen. Freeze, froze, frozen. Think, thought, thought. Seek, sought, sought. Keep, kept, kept. Build, built, built. Sleep, slept, slept. Keep, kept, kept. Lead, led, led. Now you've learned 6 more irregular verbs and, more importantly, you've connected them with patterns from verbs you may already know. The more irregular verbs you learn, the easier it becomes to recognize these patterns and remember new ones. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.